Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a graph then using the computer. So go to Cortana and type in Logger Pro and choose the one that's 3.12. And we need to put in our time and our position data. So I'm going to come up here and call this, this was the BB in Tube lab. And I need to change the name of the X. The X here is going to be time. Remember, that was the one that was over on the left. The short name, I'll use T. So just type in T. And the units, this was ticks. Remember, the metronome is ticking back and forth. So ticks. Double click on the Y, and this was position. And short name, usually we use X. I suppose you can use P as well, but I'm going to use X. And the units along the when the BB is moving, those were in centimeters, so cm. Okay, so now I just need to put in my data. So I put in where it started at. So at time 0, it was mine was at 5 centimeters. So you should put in what yours is, of course. And I'm only going to put in a few, and you should put yours in, all of them. So I'm only going up to the third tick. Third tick, my BB, it looked like it was at 36. And right there, you can kind of see the points that are plotted. The problem is it's not exactly scaled right. So what you need to do is right-click on the graph and go to auto scale from 0. Okay, and you know how a lot of times we have to have a line of best fit. Well, usually you'd have to draw the line and all that stuff, but what we're going to do here is just simply left click and drag all of this and go up to Analyze and go to linear fit, because it kind of looks like a line. Those 4 points I have on there, linear fit, and that gives me my equation. Notice it's that instead of being y equals mx plus b, they're saying x, because remember what I used for my small my short variable for the position was x. So x equals m, the slope. For me, it's 11 centimeters per tick times t. Plus the y-intercept is about 4.667 centimeters. The only other thing I need to do on this is include a title. So I'm going to go to Graph Options, put the title in here, and this is going to be Position versus Time. Done. Okay, then what I need to do is I need to print out this graph so I can tape it into my lab journal. So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to do Print Graph, and I can put in here my name. That way, when a whole bunch print out, I know which one mine is. Mr. L. And that should be good. I'm going to print it to room 207. That's the printer here in the room. And hit OK, and it will print out. And that's it.